Hi, this is Angela McFarlane and you're stamping with aMac. Happy Friday, everybody. My tip of the week is regarding punches. If your punch has ever gone blunt, there's an easy way to sharpen it. Simply get some alfoil and just fold it up several times. And we will use this to punch out our image. So just open your punch, feed it through and punch it through the alfoil. And repeat the process as many times as you can. I've folded it over several times to get a reasonable thickness. And it's a little bit of a waste of alfoil, but it will sharpen your punch and prolong its life. So there we have it. Still have a little bit of foil caught in there. Make sure you get it all out. And then can get your cardstock and you have a super clean image cut out. I hope you find this helpful. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your weekend. Happy stamping. Thank you for watching.